What we do here is go back.
Founded in 1867, home to amazing alumni such as Chadwick Boseman, Taraji P. Henson, Felicia Rashad, Toni Morrison, and the list goes on and on and on. Welcome to Howard University, and welcome to another season 4 of Rolling with Nick Campus Tours. I'm your host, Nicholas Ramsey, and I want to thank you all so much for tuning into another episode of Rolling with Nick Campus Tours, and thank you all so much for all of the love that you all continue to show my campus tour videos. It's only because of you all and God, amen, that I can keep this going. So y'all, we're going to go around this campus today, see what it has to offer, and see if it may be a fit just for you. So before we get started, please do me a huge favor, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss any of the latest content, and it truly helps my channel. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and let's get rolling.
Alright y'all, before we move forward, I want to give a huge shout out to MJEN Drinks for these drinks. Thank you so much. They taste so good. They're refreshing. They have so many different flavors. I encourage you all to go check them out on Instagram. Purchase from them. Their Instagram link is going to be right here. MJEN Drinks, MJEN They taste so good. They're so refreshing. They have different benefits for each of the drinks. We have pineapple guava here. We have sorrel blast. We have pineapple sunshine. We have beetroot infusion. Check them out. Purchase from them. They're so great, and I don't regret buying from them.
All right, y'all. So our first stop is going to be the Blackburn Student Center, and these are always my favorite places to go when I hit the campus, because the Student Center is where everything is at. So we have the food restaurants. We have a really nice patio out here where you can sit, eat, talk with friends if you want to study, if that works for you, if you want to decompress after a long day of classes, or if you want to chill out here in between classes, this is the perfect place for you. We're going to go inside. I'm going to show y'all what's inside. We got restaurants, we got prayer centers, we got vending machines. Come on in, y'all. Let's go.
Opened in 1963, this is the home of the Bison men's and women's basketball and women's volleyball teams, and it is named after John Harold Burr Jr. So the gymnasium is a multi-purpose arena with a seating capacity of 2,700 that also houses the Athletics Hall of Fame and a separate practice venue for basketball and volleyball. And then here is the home to the men and women's track and field team. So you may be asking, okay, what other food places do they have? So they have a Chipotle, then across from Chipotle they have a good old Mickey D's, and then also there is a Starbucks, so if you want to get your burst of morning energy, there's a Starbucks right here by the Barnes & Noble Bookstore. And now, speaking of Barnes & Noble, we're going to go right into the bookstore so I can show y'all, a little bit of what is here at the bookstore. It's a nice bookstore. This is where they have the Howard University Bison gear. They have some books. Alright, so for all of the business students out here, this is the School of Business. Now, in 2023, Howard University ranked number 37 in the best MBA programs for universities. So, take that information, and if you want to apply to School of Business, I say go for it. So we're going to make our way over to the Yard, also known as the Upper Quadrangle, and it is one of the most iconic places here at Howard University. It is a connecting point to several different buildings here on campus, and also it's a place where students convene for informal gatherings. You might see an impromptu step show from one of the Greek organizations, and it's just a really nice place to be. In honor of Chadwick A. Boseman, whose career as an actor, director, writer, and producer inspired millions of people around the world, this is the Chadwick A. Boseman College of Fine Arts. Built in 1959, the Cramton Auditorium is the largest auditorium here on Howard University's campus. In honor of abolitionist Frederick Douglass, this is the Frederick Douglass Memorial Hall. It is located in the Yard. It is said to be one of the most important buildings on Howard's campus and is home to the departments of political science, sociology, anthropology, history, and the ROTC program. Making our way to the Undergraduate Library. The Wayne A.I. Frederick Undergraduate Library has been a space specifically designed for collaborative use by our undergraduate population, according to Howard University, and it's been around since 1983. Alright y'all, so our last stop is going to be the Founders Library. Now this is the main library at Howard University. The building, named the Founders Library, is in honor of the 17 men who founded Howard University, and it serves as the iconic symbol of the university.
Well, y'all, that is a wrap on Howard University. I hope I was able to help y'all determine if this is a campus that you're interested in pursuing, or if you just wanted to see what a campus looks like. Thanks for tuning in and staying to the end, because you are a true roller. So y'all, if there's any school that you want to see, please make sure y'all leave it in the comment, like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you miss any of the latest content. There's an amazing season in store for y'all. So please make sure you stay safe, stay happy, stay blessed. Tell someone that you love them, and until next time, y'all, I will see you all later.